supporter of construction machinery over 15 years. Today I am at SUNWARD factory and I wanted to show you a very wholesale model United excavators. Let's find it out. That's SWE365E, a 35.8 pounds roller excavator, which mainly used in mining and quarrying industry. It is equipped with ISUZU engine, 6-stroke, supercooling, intercharging and direct injection, 7.2 displacement, and the emission meets European SWE standard. Hydraulic drive with 2-speed transmission XL piston motor. Its max traveling speed can reach up to 5.8 kilometers per hour, and its max gradability is 35 degrees. The heavy road bucket features heavy load and wear resistance. Its standard capacity is 1.8 cubic meters, with hydraulic hammer and shear for options. Its boom length 6.5 meters, the arm length 2.9 meters. Look, there have 3 units reinforced bar, which can ensure the job be finished, high performance and outstanding. Finally, let's go to the luxury cab. Spacious operation room. Air conditioner. Adjustable seat. The upholstery is ergonomic, which can ensure your comfortable driving and operation.